wondering where I've been. Well, I've had to take time off. I had an accident where I fell, and you can kind of, well, you can't really see the redness now because I have my sunscreen on that evens out your skin tone with the color in it. But I'll flash a picture up so that you can see. Well, I had a snowstorm happened in February, and I live on a hill. I started walking through the front lawn, which is kind of tilted, and I just kept going, and then it leads off to a wall, and I planted head first off the wall into a bush. My arm is still a little hurt by it, so I'm still healing there. Then I got the virus. Yeah, I got the virus at the same time. My husband had it. He ended up in the hospital for a couple of days. Then they released him. My daughter had it. Me and my daughter, we were mild. My husband got it the worst. I think because the hospital said men get it the worst. So yeah, that's what's been going on. Other than that, yeah, other than that. Anyways, I thought we'll do a little get ready. And I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs Remarkable. I'm trying to use it up. I have sunscreen on already. In case you're curious what sunscreen I'm using with a tint, it's the Neostrata. It's Neostrata Defend SPF 50. It's a mineral. It's a liquid. You know, at first when I opened it, I was like, liquid. But I like it because it spreads really easily. I'm gonna try using my Clinique Chubby Stick. And the other thing, I have to go on a no-buy. I basically have, what do I have? 1, 2, 3 boxes full of palettes that I've bought. That's pretty bad. I have a problem. I have 23 unopened foundations. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna review what I have. Some of it may be newer releases, a lot of it are older releases that I'm adding to my collection. I mean, my collection as it stands is 111 palettes. That's a lot. And I wasn't even doing YouTube before this. So, I'm gonna stop buying and start reviewing. It's gonna be hard because I think I'm an addicted shopper is what I think I am. And because I'm obese, I don't like buying clothes because I always get depressed by the way they fit me, you know, stuff like that. So makeup makes me happy. You can be any size to wear makeup. And so going forward, you're probably gonna see like this one will be nothing new. I'll be using older makeup that I want to get more use out of. Probably see a declutter. Gonna put on my Tarte Breezy bronzer. I got the special brush for it, which I love, by the way. So I'll only be buying things that I need to replace. They're doing away with, IKEA's doing away with the IKEA 9 drawer, well, the Alex line they're doing away with, basically. So I ordered a 9 drawer Alex drawer so I could get all my makeup into it. Let me preference this by saying that I'm gonna go on a 2-month no buy. Then I'm gonna see from there. It's gonna be really hard for me because when I all my Instagram is new releases. I'm gonna use my Milani eye prep. Well, anyways, that's what's been going on with me. I have so much makeup that I can do ranking videos too. So I'm just gonna have to get really creative. I mean, I think, to be honest, with a no buy for 2 months, with all the makeup that I have that you haven't seen yet, I can get by within those 2 months by doing 3 videos a week. What is it, 12 videos a month? Yeah. That'll tide me over for a while, I think. I'm gonna put on some Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna use the new Huda Beauty Naughty Nudes. Oh, and I got some new brushes. I've been really bad. Well, I didn't pay as much. I went to the Reffer, the store, and I picked up the Concept brushes. I have to review them in 30 days. So these are the ones that the YouTubers talk about. I paid about $114 for all of these. They're goat hair. Now, I've never used a real, well, these are natural brushes. So I have, with Morphe, I've used their natural brushes. But these are softer than Morphe. We'll see. I'm gonna use the number 27, the new one that they have out. I'm gonna go into Felty. I do like the way that applies. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I'm gonna go into Rough, which is the deeper brown. Well, anyways, I hope you understand. I understand if you don't want to watch the videos, but a lot of the content that I want to get up are reviews for palettes that I know I'm not going to get a lot of views on. And it's so that people have a reference if they want to go back and buy the palette from a mature person. I'm gonna use this little brush right here and deepen it up with a spicy. Anyways, I hope you're all doing well, health-wise. I'm gonna go into Tantric, which is a shimmer. Use my CoverGirl mascara. My Tarte blush in Dazzled with this new Rephr. It gives a nice wash of color, these brushes. Something I'm gonna have to get used to, because with the Morphe and the Sigma, it just picks up tons of powder. This one doesn't. It gives a nice wash. For my highlighter, I'm going to use Natasha Denona I Need a Nude. This is my new Becca highlight brush that I picked up. For lipsticks, I'm gonna use MAC's Bosom's Friend. Probably should have used a lip liner with it. Well, anyways, thank you for watching the video. I really appreciate it. I will start making more content 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. My upload times are a little skewed. If I can get the videos done ahead of time for the week, then I'll be posting at about 12:30 noon each day. If not, it could be any time that day. Well, again, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I love to have you around. Hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next video.